Okay, now let's discuss Module 13, solving problems involving linear equations into variables. So this is just an applications of linear equations into variables. And like other problem solving, these are the steps to solve problems involving linear equations into variables. First is read and understand the problem. Second, translate the problem into an equation into variables. Third, find the solution using the formulated equation. And fourth, check the solution obtained by substituting the solution or solutions to the original equations. So let's use the, for example, the activity 1, watch your step on page 11. So this is the what's more part. So the direction is complete the steps in solving word problems involving linear equations in two variables by supplying the required information. So here is the problem. Rina begins to save for a new pair of shoes that cost 2,375 pesos. She already has 500 pesos and plans to save 75 pesos per week. How long does she have to save to buy the shoes? So here is the solution. We're going to complete this. First is understand the problem. So you're going to write the given, the as, and the representation of the variables x and y. So bobonus ko na siya. Ito na yung sagot doon. So for the given, Rina has an initial savings of 500 pesos. She needs to save a total amount of 2,375 pesos and she plans to save 75 pesos per week. For the as part, how many weeks will does Rina save? And then yung representation ng x and y, let x number of weeks Rina has to save and let y total amount in pesos of Rina's savings. Next is step 2, translate the problem into an equation into variables. So make a table of values. So kukumpletuhin lang natin yung table of values. Yung x natin, this is the number of weeks. So, sisimula natin, sabi, di ba, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and 5. And then, for the first week, ang nilalagay nyo daw ay 75 pesos. So, kapag ka second week na, magiging 150. And then, for the third week, 225. For the fourth week, 300. And yung fifth week is 375. Then, the total amount saved, so yung total amount na masasave niya is equal to savings per week times number of weeks plus yung pera niyang nailagay na which is initial amount of savings niya. So, di ba may initial amount of savings na siya. So, kapag i-translate natin to into an equation, so y is equal to 75x plus yung initial amount niya which is 500. Okay, next. For step 3, find the solution using the formulated equation. So, ito, mapakadali na nito kasi fill in the blanks na lang. So, dito ay 75x same with by substitution. Ito din ay 75x. So, using the addition property of equality, so nagdagdag dito ng 500 and din dito din ng negative 500 kasi positive yung 500. So, ito makakancel na and then this one solve. 2,375 plus negative 500. The answer is 1,875. Dito naman, maiiwan na lang ay 75x. So, meron na tayong bring down lang ulit natin using the division property of equality. So, 1,875. So, dito ilagay natin yung 75. Kasi ayun na yung x. I-divide natin both side by 75 para makuha natin yung values ng x. So, ito makakancel na. This one is divided by 75. So, 1,875 divided by 75. The answer is 25. Okay, next. Okay, after that, so, i-check natin siya. So, check the solution obtained by substituting the solution to the original equation. So, we have here y is equal to 75x ulit. And then, 75, yung value ng x natin is 25. So, 75 times 25, the answer is 1,875. 1,875 plus 500, that is 2,375. So, dahil equal sila, nandito sa side na to is 2,375 din. So, check, this is true. So, hence, Rina needs to save for 25 weeks. So, that is the answer for activity number 1. Now, let's have another example. So, ito, wala to sa activity. Ito yung example number 2 natin na kamukha siya nung gagawin nyo for activity 2. So, magbibigay ako ng pattern para meron naman kayong sasagutan nyo. Okay, let's read the example number 2. A tricycle passenger is charged 20 pesos for the first 10 kilometers and an additional of 3 pesos per succeeding kilometers. What is the cost of a 25-kilometer ride? So, dito tayo. So, for step 1,